I'm going to reboot my machine, go into the BIOS, onboard devices, PCI ports, and then switch off SSD 1, and they're both disabled now. So that means when I boot this, it'll boot, I'll put the USB stick in there. It'll boot it back into Ventoy. Well, what I'll do is I'm going to install CachyOS onto an external USB-C drive, USB-C 4 or whatever it is. So there we go. So it's, if I go down and find Cachy, there it is, that one. No, I'm just showing off my ISOs there, aren't I? Cachy, great. Normal boot. Up it comes, straight into Cachy, click that, up it goes and starts to install. I'm pretty sure you don't want to sit through a gigantic installation thing again, but there you go. You know, that's a pretty cool, once you've got that USB sorted out, you've got a really good thing basically to carry on. You know, every time you want to change, if you want to jump to a Linux distributions, they're all there. If you want to install Windows 10, Windows 11, it's all there. You don't have to keep looking around. You have to have 10 USBs. I mean, if I had to do that without that piece of software, that Ventoy piece of software, what's that, 14, 15 ISOs I've got in there? That's 14, 15, 40, 50 USB sticks I have to keep track of, which isn't going to happen. So here we are. It's in Cachy. Anyway, so I'm not going to go through this all the way with you. You sort of get the general idea what you can do. So yeah, so that's fundamentally a pretty cool USB boot up thing that you can use whatever you like. And obviously, if you buy an adapter, because not everything's got USB, the old USB sockets in, we can buy an adapter, you can use it for anything. So yeah, so that's it. Any questions you've got, like and subscribe, all that sort of business. Any questions you've got, ask them in the comments. Thanks for watching.